two words, and then it'll bring you to your NC EdCloud login page. So I'm going to log in. And then it'll take you to your applications in NC EdCloud. So if it'll load. There we go. Sorry, y'all, the internet's been really slow. So you've got Canvas, you've got Clever, you've got PowerSchool. You guys have less than teachers do, but we're going to click on Canvas. And so the first thing you guys need to do when you access Canvas, yes, you need to do it. For my class, you'll have to show me that you've done this to earn a grade. So we're going to go to Account, Notifications, and you guys are going to turn on certain notifications so that you don't miss important things. So for example, your course content, that's anytime I upload like a new module or something new in the module, it will notify you. You need to turn that on so that it notifies you right away. The very first option, you need to hit that one, okay? I have it disabled because I'm the teacher, so I know when I upload things, but you guys are going to click that check. All right, the second thing you need to turn on to notify you right away, and I actually have it too, is announcements. So where it says announcement, you need to click that check because every morning in an announcement, I'm going to tell you what your task and your assignments are for the day, okay? All right, and then scroll down. The last one that you definitely need to turn on is conversation message. So you need to click this green check at the very beginning, which means it'll notify you right away. Because a lot of times when there's an issue with your assignment submission, I will message you, okay? Instead of commenting on it, because you guys don't always see that. So turn on your conversation message notifications as well, all right? A couple that you can turn on grading if you want. So anytime I grade something, it'll send you a notification. I don't know if I would do that though, because sometimes I grade a lot of things at once. So you'll be getting a ton of notifications. And then some other things you could turn on discussions so that when a new discussion board pops up, it notifies you, that kind of thing. But if you have your course content turned on, then when I put it in the module, it will notify you. Okay? All right, so now let's go back to your dashboard. This is what you guys' dashboard looks like. Your 4 classes should be there, all right? So I'm going to use my Math 1 as this example. So when you guys click on Math 1, that thing that just popped up, you may have to hit down here in the bottom corner, that teal authorize button. I've already done it, so it goes away. But this is our home page. So on our home page, if you click, it says how to contact me. There's my email. There's my Google Voice text or cell phone call number, okay? So you text or call this number anytime you need help, and I'll answer when I can. So then these 3 picture frames in the right-hand corner are interactive. The first one gives you our remind codes. For Math 1, yours is on the right. Pre-Cal, yours is on the left. Hit the home button, it'll take you back. This next one is our Zoom links. So these are really important when I'm doing office hours every day or when I'm doing live teaching. So those of you that say, yes, I need to learn math live, so I'm going to get on the class Zoom when you're teaching my 3rd period class. Well, here's the link. So all you have to do is click it and it'll take you right to that Zoom. Okay? All right, so I'm going to hit the home button back again, and then this last one takes you straight to the syllabus for each class. All right? So that is our home page. Now I'm going to go to Student View so I can show you guys how to access the content for our course. So in Student View, I can't see my home page because I'm not logged in as anyone, but when you guys are logged in into your NC EdCloud, you'll be able to see my Bitmoji Classroom, what we just looked at. So over here on the left, you have 4 selections, well, technically 5. You've got your home page, then you've got modules, grades, discussions, and collaborations. We won't use these last too much. Those are for if there's a discussion board, which there might be one Wednesday, and then collaborations is for if we do any group projects virtually, okay? But the main 3 you need are home, modules, and grades. So if you look on the right-hand side really quick, it says your mock assignment is due Monday night at 11:59. I just made that up so I could show you guys how to submit it up here on Canvas in this video. So don't worry about that right now. The most important button you will be dealing with in this class is modules. So every unit, I will post a new module for that unit, and everything underneath it will be in the order that you need to do it in, okay? So under class resources, if we click this link, there's your syllabus. And again, once you're logged in, it'll pop right up. It's not going to do it right now though. Then there's Canvas app download instructions. So when you're submitting assignments, it's honestly easiest a lot of times for math to just take a picture of your worksheet or your work and submit it from your phone. So here's the instructions right here for how you download the Canvas app. And then this last one is for your parent or your grandparent, aunt, uncle, sister, whoever you live with. These are instructions for how they can become an observer and parent. If you get them to observe you in Canvas, then you will receive extra credit on your first test. Okay? All right, so modules, like I said, everything will be underneath it in the order you need to access it, and each day will be titled something different. So I do want to show you how you would access and submit an assignment. So when you click on the assignment like I just did, the assignment will pop up. If I have instructions for you, they will be right up here at the top. It tells you when it's due, how many points it's worth, how many attempts you have. Usually it's just one. And then it'll tell you when it will close. So notice it's due Monday at 11:59, but I have it closing Tuesday morning. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. It just depends on the assignment, okay? So if they did turn it in late, so not by Monday at 11:59, they would get a 50. That's just for this assignment, so don't bank on me doing that all the time. We'll talk about the first day in person when I usually do that, all right? So to submit an assignment, it's this pretty red button right here. So I'm going to click submit. And then for different assignments, there will be different ways you can submit it. And I choose those. So like for this one, there's a file upload. So this is where you would pick a picture from your computer. But again, it's easier to do this on your cell phone from the app. But you would choose it and then hit submit. You can also do a text entry. And then every now and then we'll do Google Drive, like when you do your vocab cards, okay? But again, it's not going to pull up my Google Drive because I'm masquerading, it says, pretending to be a student. So it doesn't know anybody's logged in. But let's look at text entry real quick just so I can show you. You type in whatever your answers to the question are. I don't usually enable this one for you guys on math because it's hard to type in all your answers to every problem. But once you type it in and you hit submit, the confetti goes off.